buying animal company with
I've killed like thousands of... Okay, anyway, I killed at least 300 enemies.
Bruh!
I know. It's all for the pumpkin farming.
Today, I don't know what we're doing. We're just gonna be goofing around or stuff.
Yeah, I might as well just take some pumpkins. You never know, you'll get stuff.
All my videos have been about farming pumpkin.
Yeah, pretty much.
It should be very easier to import my videos to my mobile device now because I have cloud storage.
Get away. This is how you deal with the mimics. No, wait, don't get him. Let me do it.
Attack him, he's stunned.
Alright, let him do it to me. Get out of the way, I have a good idea. Get out of the way.
Ray on him. Please, no,
get him.
I can't die. I'm so young. No, kill him.
Come on.
Get him away from me. Get him away. Flabber.
And that's how you deal with a mimic.
I know.
Only with my friend.
I know that's how you deal with the mimic. Sorry, I was on channel 0. You wanna know how to get channel 5 and like 6 and 7, 8 and 9? Yo. You wanna know how to get channel 5, 6 and 9?
I got two landmines.
You wanna know how to get channels like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0? No. All you have to do is press this button, the joystick. Alright, are you channel 1? What channel are you? Check on your thing, what channel are you?
I'm channel 0.
Let me switch to channel 0. Ed, I'm on channel 0 now.
Mimic spawn, 1 sec. Let me deal with him this time. Don't attack him.
I'm not attacking him, he just came after me. I'll show you how you deal with a mimic this time. That's how. You run an attack. There.
Abracadabra. And there we go. Shotgun ammo.
Alright. Let's go and get my... I thought their backpack was bugged. Let's go and kill Mr. Flabber Gabba Dabba Rappa Yappa.
Alright, I have 2 trip mines.
There we go. We killed him. Technically. We've technically killed him. Is it possible to kill that TNT guy? Is it possible to kill him? No! No!
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do.
I dropped my crowbar.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do.
I dropped my crowbar.
So first, this landmine is gonna be for Mr. Big Guy.
I lost my crowbar, it fell down there. Guys, if you think this guy is yapping and doing...
And this one is gonna be for Mr. Chicken. Ah!
If you guys think this Flabber Babba Yappa is doing nonsense, subscribe. You missed him! You missed that lap!
I know.
Right, now we're gonna have to do it the opposite. But...
We got flashbang though.
We can stun Mr. Big.
Mr. Big already died.
More ammo.
Shotgun ammo. Yeah.
Yeah, just take it.
Oh, we do have a crate.
Oh wait, we do have a smoke grenade. We could use this.
We got a useless egg here.
We have a useful. We have a use.
One sec.
This smoke grenade is really useful. Shotgun.
Now this is payment. Here you go.
I don't need I need. Is it loaded? Would it be loaded? Would it be loaded? Is this shotgun loaded?
Yes, it is.
I got a shotgun today.
Fuck.
I tried smoke grenading in. Crap, I nearly fell. Are you gonna drop that? Oh wait, yeah. Wait. Are you gonna drop?
Pumpkin.
A cube! We've gotten a cube.
Bro, this isn't working for me. One sec.
Should I do it? Big brain time. Yeah, but that's a big brain. I died.
That was a waste, but
I had to kill it.
watch out!
A crowbar. Alright, I need ammo. I need ammo. I need to get ammo. I need a reload. I'm gonna need some ammo. I'm gonna need some ammo.
One sec.
You're killing everything. I'm gonna need some ammo. I'm gonna need reloading.
Come on, move.
A spooky woman spawned. Spooky woman has spawned. Spooky woman spawned. Yeah, spooky woman's here.
I'll give you some ammo in 1 second. Here you go. Just don't waste it all already. Okay.
I don't do anything unless you say, should I shoot him?
Shit.
Should I shoot him?
Fuck off me.
Should I shoot him?
Oh, no, I don't recommend. I can do it.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. No, just go over here. I'm gonna use that shotgun if you're in a life-threatening situation. Come over here because the pumpkin will drop. And plus, he's getting disinterested. Shoot his ass. Might as well. Yep, you could. And shoot. Yep, you could.
He's stuck. He's
an
stuck.
annoying asshole.
Do you want to go down there and kill him? I could.
Oh, Ghost is behind us.
Oh, he's coming back.
Shit.
Yeah, just shoot him.
Now we gotta wait for a big rock to show up. My thing fully charged just in case. Alright, pumpkin. And this pumpkin will contain
A cube.
landmine. 1 sec, give me a moment.
I like to call it the big
Set this up
cube.
right here. Careful.
Should I
Make
shoot?
sure not
Should
to
I shoot
kill
that
him.
guy?
No, I'll get him. Get out of the way. Perfect. No.
Another shotgun.
Oh, I'll keep that. Be safe. We're getting shotguns for day.
Oh, just give me that one. Just give me that one then. Is it full? Or did you get it in there?
I think so.
I would have had
accidentally,
that one.
used
I would have had that one so I have double ammo. So I could have double. I want to have that shotgun because there's not really a use for it. Holy crap.
Bad boy. I know, right?
Right, can I have that shotgun because there's not really a use for it? Because we have 3 and we only have 2 people. Oh,
I'll make it a use.
I need it. But you only use 1 shotgun and a ray gun. Can I just have the other one? Because I'm the biggest noob of all and I need double shotguns.
Here, have some ammo if you want it. Hello?
I need double
Here you go.
shotguns for ammo. I might as well put
I don't
use
think
the
so.
other shotgun.
Oh, really?
I'm the biggest noob. I'm the biggest
Yep,
noob.
my shotgun dropped.
These both are
Let me keep
loaded,
the
right?
aim
Because
on
you
that.
just got this one, right?
1 sec. It isn't dropping in.
These both should be loaded. I'm double shotgun man. I have 2 shotguns. I don't recommend that.
Fuck.
Should I shoot him? Should I shoot his up?
Maybe because you stole my shotgun.
I didn't steal your shotgun. You said I could have it because there's 2 of them.
Oh,
And we
okay,
and we
you say
have
so.
2 people and there's 3 of shotguns. And you still have 1 in your bag. I might need to shoot it. Can I shoot it? Should I shoot him?
No, I'm gonna kill it.
Yeah. I'll get the pumpkin.
Pumpkin! Boom!
This is the best loadout I've ever had.
And yeah! There he goes.
Flabba dabba rabba gabba.
Ah! You deal with them, I'm gonna deal with some mimics.
Should I kill him? I can't use up all my ammo.
Watch out.
Should I kill him?
No, I have other plans.
Right, you got him.
No, Batman.
There's a cube here. Ah! No, not me. Not me. Not me. I'll shoot your up. I'll shoot your mimicky up.
There he goes.
I can't die. I'm not dying today.
It's a crowbar. I'm gonna quickly agitate the other one.
I'm gonna quickly
Isn't anywhere.
I only have 3 ammo left. I have 3 ammos left. I have 1 in here and 2 in here.
I got a cube. Termite.
You got a tube.
Yeah, so how's your video going so far? I think we should get more people.
Your shotguns are so OP. The only bad things about this umbrella is that if you can sometimes fall off the edge right there. It's a ghost.
Get away.
Step. But there's a ghost here. Don't leave me with spooky woman. No. Wait, where are you? Did you die? Is he dead or alive? I think he's dead. Did you die? Getting out there because it's swimming. Getting out of here because spooky lady. Did you die? He dead.
Guys, who wants to grind in a private code?
Wants to do a video of me and I'm currently recording right now. I'm currently recording right now.
The code is 1-2-www.
Wants to just go to a private code. I'm currently recording.
The code is 1-2-www.
Guys, who wants to record a video of me? I'm already recording right now.
1-2-www.
Wants to record with a private code with me.
Wait, what's the code? What's the code?
Who wants to go in a private code with me? Wants to go in a private code with me and farm pumpkins?
Me!
Alright, you wanna go in a private code and farm pumpkins? I've already gotten 2 shotguns from farming. Wanna go in?
Yeah,
What's
yeah,
the code?
yeah.
Oh, come over here and add me. Come over here and add me. Go and
Guys,
add,
who
just
here
add
has a
me.
golden egg?
Just
Who has
add
a
me.
golden egg?
Because I
Guys,
can't
who
really
has a
type
golden
because I'm
egg?
holding two
Who has a
shotguns
golden
and
egg?
someone was
Guys,
stealing.
who has a golden egg?
I don't know.
Bro, what is your user called?
Chris.Lucas.
Guys, who has a...
No.
Guys, who
Alright,
has a
I'll
golden
send you
egg?
friend request. Guys, I'm gonna go kill the Armstrong.
How do you have a
monster.
shotgun?
Who wants to help
Why
me?
is there a palmy head? That's
From
gross.
French.
Ew.
Shut up, you bird!
Hey, do you have a golden egg?
Remember, the only reason it's cringe
No, because you're gonna duplicate it.
is because of all the people that make it. Cringe.
Yeah, I
It's not
duplicated.
actually cringe stuff.
I got this from a different multiverse, aka a different server. So Alright, what's the code, Purple?
I'm just trying to add you real quick so you can just join it because I have to type some random stuff.
Oh
'cause I
God,
can't
people
type
are dying.
codes or
I'm
someone
scared.
will steal my shotgun
Guys,
today.
we should totally go to Haunted Mansion. Like, yeah.
That's
Look, guys! Oh my God!
Could you hold this for me?
Look,
Could you
look.
hold this for me?
Yeah. That's just not my problem. That's just not my problem.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Now come here, can I have that back? Alright, it's run out anyways now. Alright. I'm just gonna join a random code and you can join it, okay? Cause we're added, you can just go to there and join me.
Not my problem.
Poppy!
Hey, dude, come here. What do you want to do?
Wait bro, it's hard to press
Chris,
the
look.
enter. Alright, what channel are you? What channel are you on this? What channel are you?
I'm on 0.
Same, okay, that's good. You wanna know how to change your channel?
I know it's joystick.
Yeah. Alright, let's go and kill some monsters. Right, this one I know is fully loaded because I just got it. I just got this one in a private
didn't
code,
mean-
so I know it's fully
I
loaded. This one.
so I didn't mean to like. I have this thing on my controller where it randomly presses trigger.
Ah.
I forgot to turn it off. Wait, let me turn it off. Alright, it's off now.
How are we gonna kill Mimic? You can, because I don't want to use up ammo.
We
go
can
on-
just do it together.
The only... Right, yeah, just... Bro, there's a grenade hit. Make me do this, buddy.
To get it!
Come on,
I
make me,
freeze you, bum pawn!
make me do this.
Try and get Mimic on me, try and get Mimic! Wait, get Mimic here! Get Mimic in the corner!
I just threw him out into
Wait.
outer space. I'm getting back.
Alright, the pumpkin's durable. What's inside? Bruh!
Wait, bro, use it on the monsters. It's very good. It stuns them. It stuns them so you can beat them up. I only have 1 ammo left. I'm gonna need some ammo in a minute. Alright, bro, look there. There's a crate. There's a crate once we kill both of them. Wait, no, beat up. Beat up. Crap. I've run out of ammo on both. I'm getting over here so I don't die. All my ammo's gone.
So I just lost. We can get ammo from the big pumpkins.
I know. Alright, where are you gone? Right. Right, we need to, are they
Well,
start?
we can farm them. We can farm the monsters.
I'm stepping back, I don't want to lose my 2 shotguns. These things are currently one of the rarest things in the game. The rarest thing I would say is the pipe, because you can lay it like Don't tell me the monsters have debugged again.
Woo!
Giant. Smash it. I know what you're thinking. I won't do it. The chicken is a friendly entity, guys. I thought the chicken will kill you. There's one over here. Are you British? Are you British?
Yeah.
Same. I'm British as well. Oh wait, we could put that cube somewhere. Put the cube a bit further away. Put the cube a bit further away from where it spawns. Okay, I'm not dying. I'm not.
Oh, did get my 2 crowbars. Oh, just keep that in hand.
I'm gonna keep him distracted.
Don't leave!
I'm not. I'm just grabbing it so it doesn't despawn.
Finally, someone that knows things despawn.
You have to whack it a bit hard.
Oof!
Why?
Chicken! Why does everything go keep going right?
Should we egg him up? I'm recording, by the way.
No!
No! No. I'm recording as well.
Don't get the chicken yet.
Well, come up, the viewers will be dead.
Oh,
Sad that you died.
My hand and I lost the crowbar.
No, the viewers were gonna be sad if you died. You had to do it. Get him to go.
Ah! Yeah!
Right, the cross egg is there. The crest is there. The crest is there.
There's a stun grenade there.
There's a stun grenade. Alright, lad, that's good.
Got it.
Oh, I just realised I made use
The golden egg.
and I done a face
The golden
reveal on
egg's
my
gonna
homepage,
despawn.
and now I'm doing a voice reveal. I already done a voice reveal on my first 3-hour video. No.
Fuck.
No.
Our goal is to get shotgun bullets.
One. One.
I died.
Right, lad. They made it so things despawn very, very late. Well, sure, don't worry, you'll have an egg lot here. I'm speaking like I'm northern, kind of. Sure, man, you're not. Lad, I'm coming back.
This backpack has like 2 grenades in it and 2 stun grenades.
Meanwhile, with the 2 run out shot.
Mimic! How are we gonna get past?
Ah, no.
We can just go this way.
Bro, that monster over there gives really good loot though. The normal rock monster gives pretty good, decent loot.
No!
Is that good or bad? Might be killed.
I didn't know it was going to be instant!
There's a crowbar. There's a crowbar here. We got a crowbar from that mini pumpkin. So this doesn't respawn. Oh no, the egg has despawned, but the crossbow's still here. Be careful, Mimic's camping. How are we gonna get past? We can just walk right past. I think our Mimic is blind. Is the Mimic blind?
I know.
Or is the Mimic deaf? I think the Mimic's deaf.
Oh, this is gonna be instant, by the way.
Instant what? See, he's like either deaf or blind.
This is gonna be instant death if I do this.
Don't do it then, don't do it.
I got loot.
There's crowbar, there's a crowbar.
I got loot.
There's a crowbar as well.
I got loot, I said.
There's a crowbar right here for you. There's a crowbar. There's a crowbar so you can kill the big fatties. Crowbar over here for big fatty killers. There's a crowbar.
I'm gonna stunt them.
There's a crowbar right there. I got it. Where there's a grenade here? Hey bro, there's a crossbar. We can put the grenade on the crossbar. There's a crossbar over here. There's a crossbow. We can put the grenade on the crossbow.
Woo!
Shoo!
Bruh!
Bro, come over here. Come on. Come on. Bro,
No!
that crossbow's here though.
Everything despawn.
The crossbow's here.
No,
Crossbow.
my rockets are gonna despawn.
There's a crossbow over there though.
Right, put all the loot in this bag.
Okay, I don't have any loot other than my 2 shotguns and an umbrella.
Right, just put them in then.
No,
I'm gonna
because I need them
duplicate
to fight.
I'm gonna duplicate.
But you can just
Actually-
scam me though. Duplicate them first. Duplicate them.
Where?
You
I'm
know
gonna
how
go-
to duplicate stuff.
We haven't gone to this game. Ah!
Get me back. Mimic! Oh no, 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 no.
Fuck.
I don't want to duplicate this.
Alright, can I point that flashlight over there? I'll keep this in.
No, no. Can I have it? I need dual.
Ah!
I need dual. I need dual shotguns. I need double shotguns. Can I have it?
No,
Where?
no.
Right, shotgun back. I'm shotgunning. I won. You made her up. Mimic. No, look. The Mimic knows how to play. Mimic knows how to play.
Nah,
Animal
bro, you're
Crossing.
trash. You're trash at the game. Ah, I'm sorry.
Get to safe zone. Get. Ah! Why me? Why me? Why me?
I'm hiding.
Suck that landmine then. He's disabled now. He's after me. He's became the disabled
You're so
monkey.
Mimic is so trash at the game.
Yeah. The Mimic You saw
That
that's
has
how
a
you
bunch of rockets in.
Is that you saw that's how you duplicate stuff?
I'm gonna duplicate shit.
Are you sure you duplicate stuff like
1,
that?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fuck!
Oh, did you? Oh, wait, yeah, we're in the safe.
1, 2, 3.
I'm stepping
4,
back again.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wait, I forgot. You have to put it in.
I'm not.
Right, could you set this up and put it in
What, instantly or sank?
instantly or something?
Right, take that. Take that. How much seconds do you want? How much seconds do you want it to be?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4. Alright, try again.
Alright, can I have my shotgun back?
No, because you're going to do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, pop. Right, now you saw that's how you duplicate it. Hmm?
Back.
Are you sure that's how you duplicate that?
What? It just turned into a normal grenade. Should you put this normal grenade in here?
But not
Just
set it off.
don't set it off. Just put it in. The patch, the glitch.
No.
Wait, can we try a different code?
Why?
Alright, do B.
But no, I can
Do
just join you
B,
because I did
B.
remember.
Yeah. Right, let's go see if it duplicates. Come here. Come here. This is where we see if it duplicated. This is the magical dupe corner. This is the magical dupe corner.
No, but if it doesn't work and the grenade just sets off, I'm gonna get blown up.
No, because the data, the MBT data, is going to be reversed, so, because it's reversed, so it might just turn back into a normal grenade.
Alright, so
Alright,
empty it
This
out,
is the
and if it's set off. Wait, it had that lip on. Is it set off or is it lit?
no,
It's not set off.
look,
Then. What about then tons of rockets on that backpack that you put on that landmine? What about that
Oh,
thing that you
yeah,
put
is
on
that
that
even-
the one man?
is that still there?
Yeah.
What?
They made it so like Tim's never never despawn. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work?
No. Let's go sewers.
But sewers is scary and dangerous and through it. We need to get back my ammo, remember? We need to get my ammo.
Alright, let's go get stunts.
What? No, I'm not getting. No. Right, bye.
Why? Huh?
I need to go and farm my ammo.
You bird! Can you buy me a backpack?
There you go,
1,
mate.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
But no, what's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
my headset's on 25%.
Right, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
What
8,
guys
9,
done? That
10.
was just me and this scuba.
Alright, let's go
moving
get
around
stunt.
in
Let's
Animal
go get
Company.
stunt.
In the next video, if I don't have 2 shotguns, that means something bad happened. So yeah, peace out, guys, and I'm gonna upload.
Look
this
over
on
there.
Google Drive
Wait,
so I can
what the
get it on
hell?
my-
Wait, is this a... Wait, try and grab this pumpkin. Do you know if you tap this pumpkin, a pumpkin monster will spawn?
Alright, I'm just gonna go and stop recording and upload this file to Google Drive so I can go on my iPad device when my headset runs out and publish it. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'm just gonna be AFK for a sec because I need to publish the file to Google Drive.
Alright, come here.
I'm just gonna go publish my file to Google Drive.
No,
I'm
no,
gonna be.
let's go get stunned. Let's go get stunned in. Let's go get
Wait,
stunned.
I need to do this. It takes like 5 seconds. All I need to do is open up Google Drive. Right,
My head's gonna die.